Hi, Eric here from AHA, and I manage the AHA knowledge base of the team. Our content is riveting, but today we get to give it a glow up. I'm 40 years old. I don't know if I just used glow up correctly. They're called header images. You're going to love it. Check it out. Okay, here we are in a published public knowledge base with an article that doesn't have a whole lot going on. Social rides need some sparkle. So let's go inside our AHA account. Here's that same article, social rides, but now I've got the option to add a header image. So I'll pick an image I like, let that upload, see if we can get a little color going on here. Yeah, it looks really great. Okay, I could change it. I could drag this to reposition, or I could publish, but Spark Eric knows that I think I want to preview first and see what this would look like on prod. Looks great. Here's some bike riders who are riding socially, which fits with the title of the article. This will really engage my audience, get them excited about what they're about to read. And that's as complicated as header images get. Anything that has a header in AHA Knowledge can get a header image, and they can be used for any sort of use case. Right now, I'm publishing to a public knowledge base right here on our demo account, but you could also use this for a private knowledge base, maybe something that you've got set up with knowledge base SSO or internal documentation. And this could be a picture or an architectural diagram or a company banner, whatever you'd like here that's going to engage your audience and help drive them towards the content that makes their life so much better. Enjoy.